Hello student, in the subject population and settlement geography, in the second topic there are some important learning points. These are age structure, sex composition and literacy. Which types of age structure into the India, as well as what is the sex ratio of male female sex ratio into the India, as well as we will compare this into the world to the world. Then literacy in last century, which types of literacy rate increase, how to literacy rate increase into the India, and what is today's condition. Age structure. Friends, age structure represent the number of people of different age group. A large size of population in the age group of 15 to 59 indicate a large working population. Which countries having this working population is in large number, those countries are good condition in the stage of develop. The greater proportion of the population above 60 years represent an aging population which require more expenditure to health care facility. You know that today in the India retirement age is 60, and above 60 population it is dependent population, which are the farmers or any workers. After the 60 they are not capable to income getting the money with, and that's why those population is dependent population. High proportion of young population means that the region has a high birth rate and the population is youthful. Age sex pyramid. In our practical there is also one of the pyramid we studied. This is age sex pyramid. The age sex structure of population refers to the number of females and males in different age group. The shape of the population pyramid reflect the characteristics of population. When base of the pyramid is when wide, it means that birth rate of the population is high in this specific country, or middle section when wide compared to base of this pyramid, that time it means working population is high in numbers in specific country. Expenditure population, expanding population. This pyramid has larger population in lower age group due to high birth rate. Expanding population pyramid depict population that have a large percentage of population in younger age group. Population with the shape usually has high fertility refers with lower life expectancy. The age sex pyramid of Nigeria, Bangladesh and Mexico is triangular shape with a wide base and is type of less developed countries. Constant population. This shows birth and death rate are almost equal. It is bell shape or tapered towards the top. For example, Australia. Declining population. The types of pyramid has a narrow base and tapered with top showing low birth and death rates. The population growth is in developed countries is usually zero or negative. For example, Japan. Rural urban composition, this is one of the important characteristics or demographic composition of population. Population is divided into the two parts, rural and urban, on the basis of size and occupation of settlement. The rural population consists of small size settlement scattered over the countryside. Urban population is one that lives in large size settlement. It is that is towns and cities. Rural areas are those where people are engaged in primary activities, and urban areas are those when majority of the working population is engaged in non-primary activities. In the Western countries, female outnumbers female, male outnumbers female in rural areas, and female outnumbers the males in urban areas. In countries like Nepal, Pakistan, India, the cases the case is reserved. The exercise of females in urban areas of USA, Canada, and Europe is the result of influx of female from rural areas to avoid the vast job opportunity. Farming in these developed countries is highly machinized and remain largely a male occupation. Sex ratio in Asian urban areas remain female dominant due to the predominance of male migration. Shortage of housing, high cost of living, then paucity of job opportunity and lack of security in cities discourage women to migrate from rural to urban areas. Then sex composition, the ratio between the number of women and men in the population is called the sex ratio. In some countries like USA, the sex ratio is expressed in terms of number of male per thousand female and is calculated by the using this formula, male population upon female population into 1000, or the number of male per thousand female. In India, the sex ratio calculated in terms of the number of females per thousand male. It is calculated as under this formula, male population under female population into 1000, or the number of females per thousand males. In some countries, the sex ratio is unfavorable to women because female infanticide, domestic violence against women, lower socio-economical status of women. In the world population, sex ratio is 1020 male per thousand female. The highest sex ratio in the world is recorded in Latvia, where there are 850 male per thousand female. The Qatar, there are 311 female per 100 male per 100 female. The sex ratio favorable for females in 139 countries of the world and unfavorable the remaining 72 countries. Asia has low sex ratio in countries like China, India, Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Latvia, Lithuania, Armenia, Belarus, then Russia, Ukraine and Estonia are among this country with the largest female population. These show the better status of women and excessively male dominant out migration to different part of the world. Literacy proportion of literate population of country is an indicator of its socio-economical development as the reveals the standard of living, social structure of female, availability of educational facility and politics of government. In India, literacy rate denotes the percentage of population above 7-year age who is able to read, write and have ability to do arithmetic calculation with understanding. Also called the effective literacy rate, the total percentage of population of an area a particular time age 7 years or above who can read and write with understanding. Here the denominators in the population is 7 years or more. Effective literacy rate is equal to number of literate person age 7 or above upon population age 7 and above into 100. Literacy rate has surged forward from 64.83% in 2001 to 74.04% in 2011, showing an increasing of 9.21 percent points. The literacy rate for male and female works out to 82.14% and 65.46% respectively. In this line graph show the increasing rate of the literacy from 1901 to 2011. This red line indicate or show the male population literacy rate, green line female population in literacy rate and blue line show the total population literacy rate. Thank you very much.